Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20-volt cordless pressure washer, the model PDRA 20 LID4 from Parkside, bare unit only, battery and charger not included. One battery series, over 100 tools. With a 3 years warranty, accessories included. This is the newest model and in front of me I have the oldest model. So let's make a comparison. Both are 20 volt. This is the B2, the new one, it is the D4. Max pressure we have 25 bars. Max suction high it is 3 meters, same in here 3 meters. Flow rate 2.5 liters per minute, same in here. 2.45 liters, more or less is the same. Battery running time with 2 ampere hours battery and 25 bars it is 10 minutes. For both models. Accessories we have the same, I will show you. And you need charger and battery from Parkside for both models. Now let's open the new. We have the manuals, a storage bag, the detergent, 500 ml, the main unit, and the lens. Now let's check, and for the oldest, what we have in the box, brand new, I have only used the detergent. And of course we have the manuals, the hose, and the storage bag. So, storage bag, same storage bags. We have the suction hose, both are the same length. At the front we have the filter basket, and at the new model we have different type of quick connector. The oldest model, you can see how it is, how it looks. Okay. And we have the containers. This is the new model and the oldest model. We have some differences. Same capacity, 500 ml for the detergent. New model, old model. Is not adjustable. Not even that. You can remove that. Same in here. Yep, you can remove and add the new model. Rubber around, sealing very well. The hose. And the lens, the old model, same weight, the connections, 140 bars it says here. I am confused, where's the new and where's the old model? We have the adjustments, let's go at 0. Yep, it is the same. Yep. The adjustable nozzle has 2, 4, 6 outlets. Same outlets. So are the same models. The main unit, this is the old model. The on-off switch, the safety switch. Here you can install the hose. So easy. And the new model, it can lock. At this model it can lock. Okay, that is one difference. It can lock, the new model. But the battery, you can see the battery, different connection. You can connect at the new model here the battery, but at the oldest model you can connect the battery here. I don't know which one is better. Same weight, and the connection at the front. Rotate and it locks. Same and at the oldest model. Rotate and it locks. I think this one it is more lightweight. But more or less it has the same accessories, not too many differences. The most are the trigger that in the new model it locks, and the battery is connected at this side. At the oldest model, connected here. In the past I have made a video testing this product, so I'm not going to test again this product because more or less it is the same product, it's doing the same job, it has the same specs, so why do I need to test the new model? Just a comparison to know why you need to buy the new model and not keep having the oldest model. No particular reason, just keep the oldest model. If it works well for you, no worries, don't buy the new model. And again, you need a battery to use this pressure washer. Don't forget to watch the video that I made. Definitely you would like to see how it's performing in real conditions. While it won't strip paint, it has more than enough punch to knock off mud, salt or road crime without damaging your bike's bearing or car's clear coat. It's fast, it's effective, and it fits right in your trunk, with a cost only 35 euros. So the noise is louder at the oldest model. Don't use that without the water. I really like how lightweight and easy it is to use, plus the flexibility to clean pretty much anywhere, from your car to outdoor furniture. If you live in an apartment without an outdoor tap, or you just want to rinse your mountain bike at the trailhead, the answer is a huge yes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Parkside tools, DIY gear, and outdoor cleaning tests. Thanks for watching, clean anywhere, anytime, and I'll see you in the next one.